Congratulations on the purchase of your alter ego Sidekick Folding Electric Bike. In this video, we will show you how to easily fold down your bike. The first step is to open the seat adjustment levers. Now slide the seat post all the way down to the lowest position and lock the levers. Next, fold in your pedals. To do this, firmly push the pedal inward towards the center of the bike and tilt the pedal parallel to the bike. Rotate the left pedal crank to the lowest position. If your bike is the Sidekick Step model, rotate the left pedal crank to position it in the step-through portion of the frame. Next, lower the handlebars by opening the height adjustment lever. Once lowered, close the lever tightly. Next, rotate the locking ring on the stem clockwise. Then pull down firmly on the locking lever as shown. The handlebar will now fold down parallel to the bike. Open the handlebar tilt lever in order to ensure that the gear shifter lays flat against the front fork. Lock the lever once again. Now fold the frame. Lift the small plastic safety cover by rotating it counterclockwise. Next, firmly tug the folding lever outward. Fold up the kickstand. Standing on the right side of the bike, fold the frame of the bike as shown. The front and rear wheel should be parallel to one another, with the rear axle magnet aligning with the steel plate on the front axle. The folded bike can now rest on the base of the seat post battery. You can now easily transport your bike in the folded position. To do this, start by raising the handlebar back up. Firmly fold the locking lever upward and rotate the locking ring counterclockwise to secure. With the tires facing you, tip the bike back onto the tires and use the handlebar to navigate the bike. Thanks for watching!